Hey, hey. Catch a case, don't snitch, that's Mando. Ride for your click, that's Mando. Rope hit a lick, that's Mando. Always with the shits, that's Mando. Hey, that's Mando.
Alrighty guys, so I drove his car, now he's gonna go ahead and drive mine. He has the manual, I have the automatic. So I was trying to explain to him like all the features that you can get with the automatic, like the 4-cylinder deactivation, that I don't think the manual does it, right? It's V8 all the time. So obviously these things kind of help in day-to-day driving, but it's just kind of like when you're in stop and go traffic, stuff like that, it's a little easier to have an auto. And the shifts are a lot quicker. So right now we're in eco mode, we're about to switch it up a little bit, let him feel something a little different, we'll go to sport. Right? So I'll let you feel kind of like the kick down, just turn off the AC for it though. Alright, ready? Oh shit. Yellow light.
Oh, yeah.
See, my tire pressures are too high. Shits are fast, yeah. See that check engine that came on? That's because of the thermostat. Because I didn't let it warm up enough yet. Yeah. So the nice thing is we can go in there and read the code. See how it's P0128? Yeah. That's the code for the thermostat. Yeah. So I just reset it using that little thing I showed you. It goes away and then it might come back in a week or whatever. It's usually just when I don't let the car warm up too much. I get on it like really hard. It'll throw it because the engine thinks that the thermostat is stuck, open or closed or whatever. Because regular thermostat opens at 200 degrees. The racing one opens 180, so 20 degrees less. So it starts letting the coolant start cooling the engine a lot faster, especially in the summer when it was really hot. So it's nice to have that.
You can switch it, right? You can switch it like to stock one when it's cold.
Yeah, you can change it back.
Put this one when it's hot.
Yeah, it's very easy to switch, honestly. Just 2 bolts.
Yeah, and then you just like grab it real quick.
Yeah, that's what the other one is. You got it. Different, right? When you don't have to shift the gears. Alright, let you switch. I think you're actually one of the first people to drive Rush SRT's car.
No, really?
Yeah, it's like I don't really let a lot of people drive it. Maybe like one other person, the Mustang guy, but he let me drive his car too. Yeah, very few people have driven this SRT. Okay, yeah, you just need to do the e-brake.
Yeah, there's like this.
Yeah, there's no clutch.
The clutch, bro.
Looking for the clutch. Okay. You can move the seat around if you need to as well. Oh, you want to go up this way.
It's not low, right?
Yeah, it's not that low. Really? Maybe because it's on the stiff, the suspension's a little stiff right now.
Oh, because everything is in sport too, right?
Yeah, it's in sport mode. So if I put you in like the default, if I put you in track though, it's gonna get even firmer.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it gets really tight. So maybe go right.
Oh, it pops too.
Yeah, it'll pop. It'll get even louder in track mode. It pops even more. Just be careful. Let's see. Hey, you're good, you can go.
The shifts are...
God, there's a lot of shifting because it has 8 gears versus 6 you have. So it's shifting a little more.
Faster.
Yeah, but they're quick.
didn't.
Go, you're good.
I'm not even pressing the gas, bro.
Yeah, no, that's.
I barely press the gas, bro. This shit starts like.
It's shit. It moves.
Yeah, bro. Oh, shit, this shit's nice.
Oh my god, everybody is forward. Pull up to the light real quick, try to get there, and then we'll put you in track mode for the drive out. It could get a little squirmy though, I just want you to be aware of that. So, is there a cop right there?
Nice.
Oh shit, there's an accident.
Oh no, there's.
You're good, go straight. Someone got an accident. Damn, BMW got destroyed.
Oh, shit, that shit got wrecked.
Yeah, and look at that car right there. Completely destroyed. I can just stop right here. Alright, we're gonna go in track mode. Alright, just be careful because it'll jump like it did.
Even more?
Yeah, it's pretty touchy, so when it opens up, just be a little gentle on the throttle, and then once you feel it hook up, you can give it a little gas.
Yeah, the steering wheel is way different than mine. I'm gonna get this one.
It's thicker, more to it, yeah.
From the size?
Yeah. Okay, there you go.
Oh shit.
Okay, go. Oh my god, that car is destroyed. Shit. Alright, go there. Now you have some space.
I don't wanna hit it because it comes over.
Yeah, he'll hear it. Okay, now you have a little space. Just you can hit it. There you go.
Getting a ticket on your car.
Yeah, that wouldn't be too much fun. But see how it's very stiff? Like
it is harder.
Yeah,
The steering wheel is a little bit more hard.
Yeah, the steering wheel and the wheels, you feel every bump, boof, like it's
like
definitely.
The suspension is hard.
Yeah. They say like that little poppiness.
Oh shit.
So now we'll go back to like sport. It'll be like a little softer.
Do you only get these modes like on the automatics, or can you get this shit like on the manual?
I think the modes.
Yeah.
I think it's got to be the SRT to have all the suspension stuff. You can, if you have a taser, you can do it on. You just go straight.
Yeah, not in the car was.
Oh, okay. You just want to be careful down there because
Oh, yeah.
we're gonna turn around.
There's a place where you made the burnouts. And you got that
Yeah, you know exactly about that. That's funny.
So just made it. Your turn right here.
Yeah, just be careful for this. Go straight down there and like park real quick because I want to use my drone. Like a second. Yeah, you're good. Sometimes they come down fast.
And the gears open a little bit more with the sport.
Yeah, good. There you go. Just pull around. And you can park it like right in the middle. Right here is perfect. Go a little forward and stop right here.
Okay.
Yeah. Nice. I'm just gonna grab my camera. You can turn it off for just a little bit. Okay, got it. You want to drive? I'm gonna drive. You're good.
I'm like you, bro. I don't like driving
Someone else's car.
that's probably
All right. So tell me your opinion of the SRT. What do you feel? How do you like it?
great difference, man.
There's a difference from the Scatpack,
It's
right?
way bigger.
But I think it's mostly probably the automatic that makes it feel even more different, right?
Yeah, I think because it's shit by itself.
The shifts are just a lot quicker. You don't really feel them too much. Yeah.
Even the gas pedal is just
Very touchy.
And it goes.
Alrighty, guys. So you heard it here first. Scatpack owner tried an SRT. I tried a Scatpack. Manual was a lot of fun. He liked the SRT. You know, the way it got up and went. Automatic is pretty good to have, especially he says he's stuck in traffic a lot sometimes.
Yeah.
So the manual can be a bit of a pain in the ass, but it is what it is. So thank you so much for checking out this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you leave a like on it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. My name is Rush, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.